On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 3 French hens.
Hi, Merry Christmas in July at Quilts Plus.
I'm Amber.
I'm Julie.
And I'm Kathy. And
Today is Wednesday, the 14th of July.
Yes, it is. You know, the days kind of just run together after a while. So, on the third day of Christmas,
my true love gave to me
some really fun things at Quilts Plus. Hi, today's quilt of the day is the Noel Star quilt. We have a funny story about this. This belongs to one of our customers, Pam Garrissey. She's being so kind as to let us show it to you. She won this in one of our mystery boxes. Well, she purchased the mystery box and this was in it. She fell in love with it and had a ball sewing it together and was delighted that we thought it was pretty enough to show you. We had it kitted up today and it's 60 by 72. We custom made these strips to go with this quilt. It is paper pieced. You use an add a quarter and you would need foundation paper. The quilt itself, the kit is $130, but today and today only, it is $110.50. Now these supporting products are also on sale. Normally the add a quarter is $11.05. I'm sorry, it's $13. Today and today only, it's $11.05. And the foundation paper is normally $15, and today it's $12.75. This is a beautiful kit. We hope you want to take advantage of it and come in and purchase your own kit. Hi, Kathy here. I want to show you the cutest little thing. Julie, if you could just come down here. These are sewing kit cookie cutters. So they are showing a thimble, a spool of thread, a sewing machine, and a pair of scissors. So all 4 of those shapes are in this box. Awfully cute. And it says that none of them are larger than 3 inches. So they're 3 inches tall. We just think they're adorable. We might as well be ready for the season. And there's nothing cuter than having some sewing memorabilia as you're making these up and sharing those cookies. Now I need to say, Julie did say that why don't we have these cookies made since we're showing this. These cutters just came in yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to make any, and neither did anyone else, but they're real cute. They're normally $14.50 if you just look right here for a minute. And then today and today only, they are $12.35. We would love to have you come in or give us a call at 269-383-1790.
All right, Merry Christmas in July. We have a beautiful fun find today. This is our Merry and Bright panel. This panel is absolutely lovely. It has a watercolor effect to it. So if you look closely, you're gonna see it looks like it's all been hand painted with watercolor. As you look at the cardinal, the poinsettias, also even the little birds. And you'll see a wreath here that has joy right in the middle of it, and it's got that gold. Now what we find when we're trying to coordinate fabrics with these panels is it can be a little challenging when you're trying to find that perfect gold. Well, guess what? We have the perfect gold here at Quilts Plus as a coordinate for you. It's right here, it's in the midst of these other beautiful coordinates, and it is a wonderful find. That's 15% off, along with the other coordinates that we have. Another thing that we find when we're trying to coordinate anything that has to do with Christmas is finding that perfect green. So we really wanted to highlight these greens for you so you could really see just how lovely they are. They really are perfect. It's like that evergreen green that you need when you're coordinating for Christmas time, for the holidays. It just has that just really beautiful up north feel. So this is a wonderful panel. It's $7.45 on sale just today. It's normally $8.75. So we do have a limited number of these panels available. I want you to be aware of that. Again, the coordinates are all going to be 15% off. so you have an opportunity to pick those up. I know this gold fabric will go pretty quick, so give us a call at 269-383-1790. We would be happy to grab the yardage that you need for that. We would also be happy to set aside those panels that you would like as well. And remember, we're here at the store and we'd be happy to help you.